G'day all, Shell Strike here, hope you're doing well. Well, something a little bit different today, one of my rare unboxings that I do. I probably, as everyone else has been doing, I've been looking around for Christmas presents for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. My wife got a new set of Bose Ultra Comfort Bluetooth headphones, and she got me this new Delonghi Magnifica automatic coffee machine. Now, I did have one of these back in 2010 for 10 years, but I actually ended up selling it. I've actually got an old picture of it, I think, so I'll pop that up if I do. But yeah, that went on for 10 years, did thousands of cups of coffee, and yeah, these are really good machines if you're looking to get a good automatic coffee machine. Now, it's not fully automatic. It has the milk frother. I'll just show you. So you've actually got to manually froth the milk. So yeah, and then you put the beans in the top, so it's a beans to cup, beans to table sort of machine. Yeah, so I'll unbox it and I'll show you everything that it comes with. It actually has, as I said, I got a really good price. I paid only $399. It was originally $999. They were trying to get rid of this old stock. They only had 2 of them left. And yeah, so what's that for? $600 saving from the original price. But yeah, I paid $2,000 for my original one back in 2010. So and they do really last quite a long time. The design hasn't really changed a lot. You've got on the left there, you've got the cappuccino double single shot, the long black or the Americano on the right, single double shot. You've got the steamer there or hot water button. You've also got the beans capacity, so how much it'll actually grind. Usually I'll put that on max because I like a very strong coffee. You've also got some other indicators there to whether the puck or the grinds bin is full or whether it needs descaling. And you've also got the steamer lever there on the left, so steam or hot water, so you can do your milk frothing. But yeah, these are really good machines, and I've $3.99. I actually saw this months ago, and yeah, was hoping it was going to come up on special. So yeah, I'll do an unboxing, and everyone can have a look at the contents, and I'll show you everyone. And then maybe in the future video I'll also do making some coffee with it, so you can get the most out of this machine. I only really have 1 or 2 coffees in the morning, but I do like to have a really good strong cup in the morning. I don't drink coffee at lunchtime or in the afternoon, so this will be my morning go-to. But yeah, I'll see you all after I unbox, and I'll show you everything that it comes with it. We'll see you then. Alright, there we go. So now the Delonghi is unboxed. Now I forgot to mention that the model number is actually a ECAM 12.122.B. So, but yeah, basically it's a Delonghi Magnifica, just the base model. You can get it in different coloured plates and some extra functionality. But yeah, it comes in a nice glossy black look. So it comes with like a sort of a hints and tips for making coffee, or a recipe book. Comes with a little bit of descaling solution, so you can clean the machine after you've had it running for a while. Comes in with a registration card, another registration, bit of info, register your product to win. It comes with the main instruction manuals. So all right, I'll just show you some of the key buttons on the front. So you've got the on-off button, and next to it you've got a light with a little temperature gauge. That's actually flashes until it reaches temperature, and it'll stay solid once it reaches temperature. As I mentioned in the first part of the video, you've got the single and double shots, cappuccino on the left and long black on the right. You've got the beans knob on the front there, that's minimum maximum, so that will actually should be set to max if you want to grind the most amount of coffee. So yeah, that'll give you the most grams in your coffee there. And then on the right top, you've got the steam and that if you toggle that, that'll give you steam, or if it's off, it'll actually be hot water. It comes out of the left section here, and this actually comes off as well, so you can use that to fine-tune your steaming of your frothing of your milk. And then yeah, to control that, you've just got the knob here on the left. You've got the drip tray, so that actually has a little red indicator when it gets full. You've got the the grind holder that just easily pops out, and then this comes off. That holds all your water. And then yeah, as I said, when that red indicator pops through the top, that'll tell you that the water's full. Yeah, very easy to empty, and just slides right in like that. Then you've got the top section here. Now it does come with a scoop, and that scoop, I'll just open up the bean bay. So you just fill that with beans. It actually has a grinding adjustment, so you can actually either fine grind or heavy grind. So I find that leaving this on factory setting is probably the best, because I don't think it makes a huge amount of difference with these types of machines. It might do in a more professional type machine, but in these I don't think it makes a huge difference. And then in the grinding hopper as well, you've got this little section here, and that's actually where you put in your ground coffee. If you've already got ground coffee, I prefer doing the beans, but if you've got any, I've got some left over, so I'll probably use that just to test the machine. You'll need to make 4 cups before it'll actually start working properly, so I'll use that for that. You've got this little top section here. Now, on my original machine that I had back in 2010, that was actually metal and it was heated, so you could actually put your coffee cups on top here, and it would actually keep them warm. So you could actually have a preheated coffee cup for those who preferred to do that. But in this one, I don't think it is heated, but I'll turn it on and give it a go, because it's plastic, so I don't think it will be heated. But my metal one back in the day did have a heated section there, heated top plate. But there you go, that's pretty much it. There is one more thing, or a couple more things. This is adjustable, so if you want to get down lower to your cup, you can do that, or if you have a tall cup, you can just lift it up. Also, you've got the water tray, a water holder, and that actually slides out quite easily, holds quite a bit of water, and the top just comes off so you can fill it up. And there is actually a section at the back there for a water filter, so you can plug in a water filter there if you want your tap water filtered, but I don't generally do that. So that, yeah, it does hold quite a bit of water. Probably get, if you're only doing 1 or 2 cups a day, probably last you a week, so 5 to 7 days. But that's pretty much all there is. I appreciate everyone watching as always. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and yeah, as I said, I might do a future video of actually making some coffee with this, so maybe look out and hit that like and subscribe if you would like to see that. Appreciate everyone watching as always. Catch you all in the next one. Bye bye for now.